and welcome. This is Hina Talati and you are watching It's Tomorrow News. An earthquake of magnitude 6.6 struck off the northwest coast of Indonesia's Sumatra Island today. The Indonesia earthquake was at the depth of 10 kilometers and it was struck off the northwest coast of Indonesia's Sumatra Island. The shallow quake hit at 12:30 p.m. today near the island of Nias, about 250 kilometers south of the city of Sinabang. Indonesia's Weather and Geophysics Agency put the quake at 7.2 magnitude but said it had no potential to trigger a tsunami wave. Meanwhile, any kind of injury or damage has not been reported from Indonesia or any other Southeast Asian country so far. The tremors were quite strong. As a result, people panicked, especially those living around the coast fearing a tsunami. The quake was felt strongly in Padang city on Sumatra's west coast. People ran outside the house because the quake was felt for a pretty long time. Disaster Mitigation Agency said the quake was felt for 20 seconds and the authorities are still collecting information about the impact. The tremor was felt quite strongly and was followed by milder aftershocks. Indonesia experiences frequent quakes and volcanic eruptions due to its position on the Pacific Ring of Fire, an arc of intense seismic activity where tectonic plates collide that stretches from Japan through Southeast Asia and across the Pacific Basin. Indonesia, a vast country of 271 million people, is frequently struck by the earthquakes, volcanic eruptions and tsunamis because of its location on the arc of volcanoes and fault lines in the Pacific Basin. Indonesia has experienced major earthquake was in January when a magnitude 6.2 earthquake killed at least 105 people and nearly injured 6,500 while displacing more than 92,000 in the West Sulawesi province. In 2004, a devastating 9.1 magnitude quake struck off the coast of Sumatra and triggered a tsunami that killed 220,000 throughout the region, including 170,000 in Indonesia only. In addition, this a powerful 6 magnitude earthquake rattled Japan this morning. This quake hit at the depth of 60 kilometers. Japan too is located in a seismically active zone known as Ring of Fire and regularly suffers from powerful earthquakes. This quake of 6 magnitude hit the east coast of Honshu, Japan today, but no tsunami warning was issued and there were no immediate reports of the damage. The National Center of Seismology said that the earthquake hit at 5:28 a.m. today. This massive quake on high Richter scale hit Honshu Island, spreaded panic and people ran out of the homes. Earlier this month, a 6.6 magnitude earthquake was registered on Saturday off the northeastern coast of Japan. The epicenter of the earthquake was located at the depth of 60 kilometers in the Pacific Ocean, not far from the prefecture of Miyagi. The tremors were felt in the northeastern and eastern parts of the country, including Tokyo. The 2011 9 magnitude earthquake in Japan and following tsunami killed over 15,000 people and caused the Fukushima nuclear plant disaster. That's all for now. For more news updates, stay tuned with us. It's Tomorrow News, Hina Talati. For more weather updates like this, and please subscribe our channel.